Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of humidifiers, and trust me, we found the best one out there, the AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. Let's get into why this is the ultimate choice for your home. If you're in the market for a cool mist humidifier, look no further. The AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier is the epitome of quality and effectiveness. Let's break it down. First off, this humidifier provides immediate relief from dry air. Say goodbye to dry coughs and irritated throats. With its ultrasonic technology, it pumps out soothing mist that will have you feeling better in minutes. And here's the best part. It operates in total silence. No more humming or whistling to disrupt your sleep. You can finally rest like a baby and wake up feeling refreshed. Plus, it's customizable to suit your needs. With multiple mist settings and a 360-degree rotating nozzle, you have full control over the mist output and direction. Talk about convenience. And check this out, it boasts a whopping 2.2-liter water tank, which means it can run for over 24 hours on a single fill. That's impressive endurance for uninterrupted comfort. Oh, and did I mention it's filter-free? That means no costly replacements, saving you time and money in the long run. In summary, the AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier is the ultimate solution for dry air relief. With its quiet operation, customizable settings, and long-lasting performance, it's a game-changer for your home. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Grab yours today and breathe easy. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy humidifying.